In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GetFormly for beginners with this complete guide. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for GetFormly. From the search results, look for the official GetFormly website and open it. Once you land on the homepage, take a quick look around so you can get familiar with the layout. Most platforms like this keep the main action buttons clearly visible, so you should be able to spot a Get Started, Sign Up, or similar button near the top of the page. Before we continue, if you want to try the platform for yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description. That's the quickest way to get to the correct page and follow along with the tutorial. Now go ahead and click the Sign Up button to begin creating your account. You'll be asked to enter the required information, such as your email address and a password. Depending on what options are available, you may also see alternative sign-up methods, and if so, you can choose whichever one is most convenient for you. As you fill out your details, make sure you use an email address you can access right away, since you may need it for verification. Once you submit your information, GetFormly may ask you to verify your account. If that happens, open your email inbox and look for the verification message from GetFormly. Open the email, then click the verification button or follow the instructions provided. This step is important because it confirms your account and helps unlock access to the platform. After your account is verified, return to the GetFormly website and log in using the credentials you just created. Click the login button, and once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. At this point, spend a moment getting comfortable with the dashboard. As a beginner, the most important thing is to notice the main navigation areas and where key options are located. This gives you a clearer idea of how the platform is organized and makes the next steps much easier. From there, begin using GetFormly by finding the area where you can create or manage your forms. This is usually the first action a new user will take after signing up. Start with a simple form or open the form management section so you can see where everything lives. Keeping it simple at the beginning is the best way to learn the platform without feeling overwhelmed. That's it for this tutorial. You now know how to sign up for GetFormly, verify your account, log in, access the dashboard, and start using the platform through the website. And if you want to try it yourself, remember you can use the affiliate link in the description.